Apparel and footwear brands have become more conscious about the composition of the materials they use in products they sell. They have grown more mindful of whether these substances conform to standards or not. For brands, it is a business imperative to know which chemicals are considered safe. There are also some chemicals that need to be better regulated. ADEC's CleanChain enables these brands to have a clearer picture of their entire supply chain by giving them a complete view of it. So how does CleanChain know which chemicals are considered safe? CleanChain uses these conformance standards such as ADEC source and crowdsource regulations and guidelines across the textile industry, and the ZDHC manufacturing restricted substance lists, or MRSLs, which provide brands with lists of chemical substances banned from international use and facilities that process textile materials and trim parts in apparel and footwear. CleanChain tracks the chemical formulations used during the manufacturing of materials in the textile and footwear industry. CleanChain generates two types of reports: product conformance and supplier conformance reports. The product conformance report helps brands understand the level of performance of chemical products used across their supply chains. This report provides a comprehensive snapshot of their products and their conformance levels. Each standard is conveniently color-coded. On the other hand, the supplier conformance report helps determine whether a supplier follows standards or not. Non-conformance suppliers are identified in red, while conformance suppliers are identified in gray. What's in store for these brands? CleanChain will integrate with ZDHC Gateway Clearstream to enable comparisons of the analytical results against multiple standards, helping suppliers manage their wastewater operations beyond regulatory compliance, not only for conventional wastewater parameters, but also for hazardous chemicals. With CleanChain, brands access a kind of chemical intelligence to know how clean their supply chain is, quickly knowing whether their suppliers are using safe substances in safe amounts or not. Not only does this ensure that businesses meet their compliance standards, it also helps brands assure their customers that the apparel they put on and the shoes that they wear are safe down to the molecular level. For brands, it is a business imperative to know which chemicals are considered safe. There are also some chemicals that need to be better regulated.